Hello, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be trying Aqua Wax number 6. Stay tuned for more tips.
Caught in a landslide, lost underground.
Aqua Wax number 6 with a lovely peach fragrance. It will create long-lasting styles with medium shine and compact look.
Come close to midnight, hell fed me down.
Thank you for choosing Nishman products. Stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Now would you